To fix the battery drainage on a Poco X7, first we need to open our settings. Now inside there's multiple different settings that can consume a lot of battery, so I will try to mark most of them. So first, if we enter display and brightness, we can scroll down and look for the refresh rate. Here I recommend to go for a default recommended option to lower your battery consumption. Next is the AI image engine, and here also I recommend to turn off all of the options as they might consume your battery. Also in the display on the top you can find screen brightness, and the lower brightness you have, the less battery is consumed. So you can go for automatic brightness as well to try to preserve it, but also most importantly here you can switch to dark mode, which also decreases your battery consumption. I'm gonna stick to the light mode for the purpose of this video. Now let's move to the battery right here. And you can click on the current mode to change to ultimate mode, balanced mode, battery saver mode, or ultra battery saver mode. So if you're in the dire situation when your battery is running low and you have no way to charge your phone, you can go for ultra battery saver, which also shows how long your phone can still be active with that mode. And there's also battery saver, which increases your battery life, and for me in the balance right now I have 12 hours and 37 minutes, where with battery saver I would get 15 hours and 32 minutes. So if we change to that, our phone won't drastically change, but will preserve some battery. And there's also the ultimate and balance mode, but if you want to preserve battery, just don't select the ultimate mode, as it decreases it for even a half an hour. And that would be honestly everything. There's not much else that you can do. Or actually, sorry, I forgot, you can swipe down from top of the screen to see all of the quick access icons, and you can try to turn off things like the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can then also turn off your transferring of the data, and finally, last thing right here is mobile data. Sorry, I tried to find it, and you can turn it off as well to save the battery. So that is basically everything. Now, thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.